Hey, I'm Karla Starr. My first book, Can You Learn to Be Lucky, earned praises from authors including Dan Pink, Adam Grant, and Adam Alter. Fast Company even named it one of the best books of the year. It also got the attention of Chip Heath, a professor of Stanford Business School and the co-author of 4 New York Times best-selling books, including Made to Stick, Switch, and Making Numbers Count, the art and science of communicating numbers, which he wrote with yours truly. Chip taught me everything he knew about giving workshops, consulting, writing white papers, and working with corporate clients. Now that he is retired, he sends his regards, and, well, he's saying that I should take any job that you may have given him. Ever since the publication of Making Numbers Count, I've been refining my class on data storytelling and business storytelling. I've been developing modules for a wide variety of organizations. I've never made a marketing video until now. And for some reason, I've never told people my secret. I am not a numbers person. I kind of used to hate them. I just wanted to work with Chip.
You see how this looks, right?
As it turns out, this is amazing news for organizations because I've experienced the transformation from going to gagging, looking at a spreadsheet, to looking at numbers as a fun creative challenge. Can you just imagine if everyone in your organization thought the same way? That transformation is at the heart of every one of my engagements. There's a world of difference between best practices and generic advice that's in a book and the context and actual numbers that organizations actually use. Chip used to charge $40,000. My workshops are more fun.
Not like a regular mom, I'm a cool mom. Right.
Less expensive.
I mean, it's one banana, Michael. What could it cost? $10?
And they have a higher ROI. Just last week, a client told me that my workshop paid for itself because his nonprofit was able to raise funds ahead of schedule. Whatever your problem is with data, call me. I'll make it fun. I will make your numbers count.